How to share Netflix account with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can share your Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you bought a Netflix account and you also want to give it to your friends so that they can watch too. Well, the only way you can share your Netflix account with friends is by sharing your email and password. So you have to share both the email and password, and then only they will be able to log in. It's not like you can just have their email address and give them access in that email address. That's not how it works. You have to give them the email and password. So when you open up Netflix, now after you give them the email and password, what you can actually do is you can create up to 5 different profiles. So you can have up to 5 profiles, and each of your friends can watch from those different profiles, including their own. So you can create a separate profile, give them the access to email and password, and then they will be able to log in and use. So this is the only way you can share your Netflix account. It's not like you can only have their email address and you can give access in that email address. That's not how it's going to work. So I hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.